guys, I've literally just got home from work. I wanted to get this kind of cracked on with. So the bike is lifted up and I'm just going to step outside and clean off the old swing arm of all this nasty, horrible, grimy rubbish, so I can then fit that in place. Just a temporary fit to get into a roller, just so then I can get the harness in, all the other stuff, and have it ready to send off to Met Machine X. So got some developments. Managed to source a rear wheel. It's a Tiger 800 hub, stainless spokes, and a XL rim at 4¼ inch or 4½ inch, double check, for the back. Still looking for a front wheel, so if anybody knows of anybody that's got a Tiger 800 front wheel in decent nick, black rim, then I'm in the market. So yeah, let's get on and clean the swing arm for it to completely dark. So we got that all clean. It's all sparkling and showing off its rusty bits and whatever else. Gonna get that in the back of the bike now, and that's another step towards getting it off the jack, and we can start, well, carry on building a motorcycle. So, got it down on the ground. I hadn't noticed, it was my omission, the oil line at the front, I don't know if you can quite see it, just down there, was resting on the jack. So, I wanted to get that off there, and we're going to start fitting the wiring harness. We'll get that in place first before we put the Airbox Delete Kit in. So, yeah, next step, fit the wiring harness. So, as you can see, I've taken the thruxton apart again. This is purely just for measurements and reference for the harness, so photos can only give you so much information, and when I've got something here to date them against, it seems only sensible to at least have a sneak peek. So, as you can see here, it's only mocked in place, but I've got the rear bracket that holds the tilt sensor, the diagnostic connector, and the indicator relay mocked in place. So then runs around the back, so that'll need tucking up underneath the frame rail there, this side. And my concern was that I'd tape this, it's like a main branch joint. I was concerned I might have taped that in the wrong place, but having measured it off the thruxton, it seems like it's okay. You see here, I put datum tape onto the frame, so I know where the flat section of the harness goes under the tank. So that's ready to be cable tied in place. And then working around this side, we'll bring the ECU connectors up under here through this relief, ready to drop in. So that'll be later on today. I need to fetch some more cable ties. This thing won't stay in place. Yeah, so it's dropping into place, it's coming together. So they could hear me. So I did all this fitting up last night of getting that wheel in place, which you will have just seen and the new wheels arrived this morning. So we're going to crack on, get that opened, and also I've got a headlight grille has arrived. So yeah, let's get them open and have a good nosy at what we're going with. Also, a genuine Triumph. Let's see what we ended up with. Very excited about this. I'm not going to say what I paid. Let's just say, if it's as good as it looked in the photos and the price I paid, this is an absolute bargain. Box. Boom. Oh my god. Wow. It's weird. It's had a tyre on it. It doesn't look like it's had a tyre on very long. So this is a genuine Triumph Tiger 800 XC rear rim or rear wheel. It's an XL rim, 17 by 4 1/4. It's absolutely gleaming. That's very exciting. Very happy with that, guys. Very, very happy. Just need to order a crush drive now. So I'm going to leave that one there. Most of the wiring's in place. We've got all the rear section in. This is routed round. This portion up here for where the coils are mounted and various other bits. And this section wraps around and bolts to the side at the back here. So I need to get the Airbox Delete Kit in, basically the main cage battery box affair, which I think is relatively simple. Yeah, so we need to do that before we can yeah, finish off the wiring, because a lot of it clips to and bolts to the box. So that's next, which will probably be in the next video, I think. And I'm going to do a bit more of an in-depth wiring video relating to adding the coil in and the other modifications I've got to do for running a later engine. So yeah, we'll get that done. But feels like we're making progress. Very happy with the new wheel. That's a win. Just need to sort the front wheel out now. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and see you on Sunday.